Hey guys, Maggie here. I've had such a long day, but I still wanted to get this video up for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It's about the secret way to make your aircon unit go. Hi guys, I just wanted to do a really quick clip on how to correct for your inverter air conditioning unit. So most people I know have been using these units as they have a variety of buttons. This remote is actually for a Fujitsu unit, but I find that the same problem happens with all systems. So basically you want to make sure that you've set not only the temperature with the up-down buttons, but also the mode of the unit. So this remote here has a mode button. So if you can see up in this corner, when I click the mode button, it changes. So right now it's on auto. Now it's on cool. So that would be if you are hot and you want to cool down. Dry, that's almost a dehumidifying setting. Fan, that's just sending a fan out. And heat. So when it is winter, you need to make sure that you've set the temperature to something warm and you've got it on heat mode. Cool is for summer, heat. So different brands use different symbols and different buttons. So you're looking for a button that says mode or setting. Some systems will say auto, cool, dry, fan, heat. Other systems I've seen will have a sunshine for heat, a little sun icon, or an icicle icon for cooling. But basically, whenever you use one of these systems, you'll need to make sure you are adjusting the temperature with the up-down buttons, as well as the mode. In addition, you can also look at the fan speed. So that's on the right hand side there. And again, there's different buttons for that. This one is a Mitsubishi Electric remote, and it has the same pull down. And it also has this mode button here. However, when you push this, you can see up in this corner, and this one has auto, cool, dry, heat, fan. Auto, cool, dry, heat, fan. And that's it. So make sure you set the temperature, the mode, and the fan speed. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.